everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I'm doing the cooking side of the Farm to Sea challenge. This is the second video I did of the mixed lasagna and the fried shrimp. And I did the venison for my protein in the mixed lasagna here. Now if you don't have venison, you can use ground beef and it will work just as well. It's just I enjoy venison, so I wanted to use it in the recipe here. So I started off with my onion. You gotta check out that knife there for a second. That was part of some Christmas, so I gotta show it off. So, but anyways, yeah, I took my onion and just put a fine dice on it, and it's a small onion. And once I had it diced up, I added it to my ground venison and started seasoning it as well. And I did just Italian seasoning and salt and pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of butter as well went in with my ground venison. And I just started them off cooking together and getting my meat browned and letting all those flavors come together, and letting my onions soften up as well, because I didn't want them crunchy in the mixed lasagna. And once I had it kind of browned off, then I added in my garlic, because I wanted to add it in a little bit later because I didn't want to burn it at all. And once I had my garlic mixed in, I started in with my other ingredients, and it's a cup of cottage cheese that goes in. You'll put it in and mix it through, and I'll make sure to have all the list of ingredients in the description so you'll know how to make it if you'd like to. And once I've got my cottage cheese mixed in, then comes my pasta sauce, and you can use your favorite choice of pasta sauce that you want to use. I use the roasted garlic and onion because I wanted those flavors again running throughout the venison and then the dish. And you just pour it in and then mix it well and through, and then you just turn it down to maybe a medium low heat and just let that slowly simmer together. And then you can start on your pasta size, and I use bow-tied noodles, and it's just simply just boiling them and getting them cooked. And I cooked them al dente, or however you say it. They still had a little bite to them. I didn't want the noodles all the way done because I knew it was going to be going into the oven for a little while to cook to finish up. So once my noodles got done, I drained them off and let them sit for a minute, and then I poured them in my baking dish and evenly spread them out through the bottom of the baking dish. And then I started spooning in my meat mixture over top of it and getting it evenly through the dish as well. Once I had it in there, then I started sprinkling on my cheese, and I used Mozzarella cheese and then Parmesan as well. And I think it's about 8 ounces or so of mozzarella that I used, but you can put how much ever want, as much as you want, more or little or whatever else. But again, it's just covering it over evenly, and then you pop it in the oven and let your cheese get kind of melty and bubbly, and that's pretty much it for the venison mixed lasagna. Like I said, you can use ground beef and it works just as well. And like I said, I did the fried shrimp to go along with it, and it was just a simple Cajun and seasoning, and then just a mix of flour and cornmeal. Chunk them in the iron skillet and fry them to the golden brown, and there you go. You had it, fried shrimp. But anyways, I thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and let's keep on growing together. Anyways, love y'all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.